Good day everyone, my name is San Cyril de los Reyes, and today we are going to explain the user-defined exception of Java programming. So what is user-defined exception? A user-defined exception is a custom exception created by a programmer to handle specific error situation in a programming. It extends the exception class by running time exception class, for example, a negative age exception for ensuring age cannot be negative. The example of the user-defined exception. This Java program demonstrates the use of the user-defined exception by creating a custom exception class named invalidAgeException. The program check whether the program checks whether a person is eligible to vote based on their age and throws an exception if they were 18. So first, we are going to create the class exception. So this part is called the custom exception class. So what does it do? So the invalid this class the invalid age exception class extend exception, making it a check exception. It it has a constructor that takes a message as a parameter and passes it into a exception using the super message. So ano It allows the exceptions to display meaningful error message when it dethroned. So next, define defining the check methods, check edge method. This method takes an integer edge as an input. So kaning int. And if age is less than ang age da is less than 18, mathrow siya og invalid age exception sa message. If else you are unable to vote. Then next ang main method. Main method, the handling exception. Inside the maggamit ta diri og try catch. Tas inside sa try catch ang sulod sa try kay ang katong imong gusto nga ibutangan kuan valid age. Ang nakabutang diri kay 60. Ang kaning diri sa try dili na ni siya mag catch since ang 20 kay dako naman sa 18, diri na siya sa else mag kuan output. So try na to run. Oh, wala na tong exception na Scott. Diretso na siya og you are ineligible to vote. Diretso na siya diri ah.
Hi everyone, my name is Deji Opiasa. Our next topic is talk about built-in exception. So what is built exception? These are predefined exception in Java such as arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, and IO exception. So what is arithmetic exception? No? Muna siya is a runtime exception in Java that occurs when an illegal arithmetic operation is performed such as dividing by 0. While ang null pointer exception muna siya is a runtime exception in Java that occurs when you try to use an object that is null. So last is IO exception is muna siya is check exception in Java that occurs when an input-output operation fails. This happened when working with files, network, connection, or stream. So, built-in exception are categorized as check and uncheck exception. Our next topic is talk about check exception. So, check exception that's are check at compile time. So for example, IO exception file operation required exception handling. So natay code rin no example for check exception. So ang check exception ay ang mga exception na gina-check sa compile time. Then if ang method can potentially throw a check exception, kailangan siya i-handle gamit ang try catch block or declare it in the method signature using throw. Then kanang while not found exception is muna siya ang check exception because it must be handled explicitly. So kanang file new file is muna tong name sa file. Then scanner new scanner file. Then nagamit ang while para ma-reads and prints each line of the file if it exists. Then nagamit ang catch to if the file is not found, the exception is caught and an error message is displayed.
Good day everyone, my name is Lorenel G. Mabasa. So this is my report. Uncheck exception that occur at runtime or may tabo na siya o ira na ni may mong program. Example, arithmetic exception. When a program attempts to perform an arithmetic operation that is invalid, such as dividing by 0. So maghimo tag code. So naatay try. Kani nga block ay makita na to ang code na posible nga na ay error. So maning try. So maghimo tag integer variable na ay 10 divided by 0. Tapos kabalo man ta nga bawal ma-divide ang 0 sa 10. So mag-cause siya og arithmetic exception. Ug mag-error siya, mo lipat din ang execution sa catch block na to. Or nagapangita sa mathematical operation na to nga mali riya sa division by 0. Tapos napunta system.out.print exception code. Tapos ira na to. Tapos muna atong output. Tapos muna nakita sa ug nadakop sa atong catch block ang atong error nga mathematical operation ug na-handle niya og tarong ang atong program ug para dili pud siya ma-crash or ma-kuan atong program. That's all. Thank you.